Hey there, amazing mom. Welcome. If you're new here, hi, my name is Brittany. I am a mom of three boys, and I'm here to provide moms with motivation, determination, and encouragement on motherhood, lifestyle, fashion, and travel. So please stick around and hit that subscribe button. Today, we're going to be doing some laundry, tidying up the house. As a busy working mom, we try to do the most that we can. But today, while I'm folding laundry, I'm also going to be talking about the ultimate time management system for busy moms. So, if you're anything like me, balancing like your career and your family and personal life, it can kind of feel juggling a million things at once, right? You want to be there for your family, crush it at work, and still have time for yourself. But where do you even begin, right? Well, today I'm going to be sharing the ultimate time management system for busy moms that'll help you regain control over your schedule, feel more productive, and actually have time for you. So let's dive in. All right, step one is the time audit, right? First things first, you need to get real about where your time is actually going. That's where we're starting with the time audit, right? So for 1 week, track everything you do. Yes, from your work tasks, family activities, to those little moments where you get distracted by social media. Trust me, you'll be shocked at how much time you're spending on things that aren't actually serving your goals. Grab a notebook or use an app to keep track of your day. After you've done so for a week, you'll have a clear picture of where your time is going. This step alone is such a game changer. Step two, prioritize with the ABCDE method. Next up, we're going to go over that method for prioritizing your task. And here's how it works. So the A tasks are going to be urgent and important. These need to be done today. B tasks are important but not urgent, so these should be done soon. C tasks are nice to do, things that you like to get to but aren't a priority. D tasks is delegate. Give these to someone else if you can. And E tasks are eliminate. If these tasks they don't really move a needle at all, go ahead and just get rid of them. Now that you tracked your time, go through your tasks and categorize them, right? By focusing on what really matters and eliminating all the unimportant stuff, and then you'll save time and energy on the things that actually matter most. So, time blocking, right? Time blocking is a must. This is where you literally schedule chunks of your time in your calendar for like specific tasks, whether it's family, work, or even self care, laundry. Go ahead and block it out. This helps you stay focused and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Each evening, go ahead and plan your day. You'll feel so much more in control, I promise, and you'll get more done in less time. Plus, no more feeling like you're constantly scrambling. Learn to say no. This is huge, right? Learn to say no. As moms, we often feel like we have to say yes to everything. But here's the truth, saying yes to everything means you're saying no about your time and your energy. So set the boundaries and be okay with turning down commitments that aren't in your alignment with your goals. Your time is precious and you deserve to protect it. Don't be afraid to say no so you can focus on what truly matters. Self care time. And last but not least, make yourself a priority. I know. It's hard to justify when you have so many other things to do, right? But here's the thing, you can't pour from an empty cup, right? You've heard me say this before. Schedule regular moments of self care, even if it's like 10 minutes of quiet time, a bubble bath, or even a walk in nature. Anything, for self care. Just a little bit of time for yourself. It will work wonders. By taking care of yourself, you'll have more energy, clarity, and patience for the people and tasks that you love. Trust me, self care is not selfish, it's essential. Limit distractions. This one is tough, I know. Whether you're a working mom with tons of emails or your little one is at home asking for your attention, distractions are everywhere. But to stay focused, you need to create a work environment that minimizes interruptions. Okay? Try turning off your notifications on your phone by using like an app to stay off social media. And if you're at home with your kids, communicate with your family or your husband about your focus time and set those boundaries. Take some breaks. I know it might sound counterproductive, but taking short breaks throughout the day actually helps improve focus and productivity. So take a little walk, grab a cup of tea or coffee or soda or pop or whatever you like to do, or simply step away for 5 minutes just to kind of recharge. When you're feeling drained, you're less likely to stay focused. So don't skip your breaks. Your mind and body will thank you later. And please be kind to yourself. As working moms, we can always be our harsh critics, right? And if you don't complete everything on your list today, guess what? That's okay, right? Celebrate what you did accomplish and know that tomorrow is a new day to crush those goals. Laundry can wait. Remember, you are doing an amazing job, and prioritizing and staying focused is a journey and it's not a race. So there you have it, mamas. Prioritizing tasks, staying focused, and keeping distractions at bay doesn't have to be overwhelming. By breaking things down, categorizing them, and giving yourself some grace, you'll find that managing it becomes much easier. I hope this helps you feel more in control of your day so you can thrive as both a working professional and a loving mom. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying focused and productive while being a working mama. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to grab your free time blocking worksheet down in the description box below. And I hope you and your family have an amazing and happy Easter.